Day 11, Shopping English. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning channel. Today is day 11, and our topic is shopping English. In today's lesson, you will learn four very useful English sentences. How much is this? I want to buy this. Do you have another size? Can I pay by card? These sentences are simple, but they are very useful when you go shopping. So listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice speaking out loud. Let's begin. How much is this? Our first sentence is, how much is this? We use this sentence when we want to ask about the price of something. For example, you see a shirt. You can ask, how much is this? The shop assistant might say, it's $20. Let's practice. How much is this? Pause and repeat. How much is this? Again, how much is this? Very good. Now imagine you see a pair of shoes. You can say, how much are these shoes? Notice the difference. For one thing, how much is this? For things that are plural, how much are these? Let's practice one more time. You see a bag. How much is this? You see some sunglasses. How much are these? Excellent. Remember, how much is this? Means you're asking the price of one thing. I want to buy this. Our next sentence is, I want to buy this. This sentence tells the shop assistant that you want to purchase something. For example, shop assistant, can I help you? You say, yes, I want to buy this. Let's repeat. I want to buy this. Again, I want to buy this. Very good. Now let's make it more natural. You see a nice jacket. You say, I like this jacket. I want to buy it. Or simply, I want to buy this. Let's practice with different items. A shirt. I want to buy this shirt. A bag. I want to buy this bag. A pair of shoes. I want to buy these shoes. Great job. Do you have another size? Now, let's learn another useful sentence. Do you have another size? This is very useful when clothes or shoes don't fit. For example, you try on a shirt. Is too small. You can ask, do you have another size? The shop assistant might say, yes, we have a large. You can also ask, do you have a larger size? If something is too big, you can ask, do you have a smaller size? Let's practice. Do you have another size? Again, do you have another size? Now imagine you are buying shoes. You try on size 8, but it is too small. You can say, do you have a bigger size? The shop assistant says, yes, we have size 9. You say, thank you. Very good. Can I pay by card? Our next sentence is, can I pay by card? We use this sentence when we want to know if we can use a bank card or credit card to pay. For example, shop assistant, that will be $30. You, can I pay by card? Shop assistant, yes, of course. Let's repeat. Can I pay by card? Again, can I pay by card? One more time. Can I pay by card? Excellent. You can also ask, can I pay in cash? That means you want to pay with cash. So remember, can I pay by card? And can I pay in cash? Both are very useful when shopping. Shopping conversation. Now let's practice a complete conversation. Imagine you're in a clothing store. Listen first. Shop assistant. Hello. Can I help you? Customer. Yes, please. I like this shirt. Shop assistant. Sure. Would you like to try it on? Customer. Yes, please. Shop assistant. Here you are. Customer. Thank you. Shop assistant. How does it fit? Customer. It's a little small. Do you have another size? Shop assistant. Yes. We have a large. Customer. Great. Can I try it on? Shop assistant. Of course. Customer. Thank you. Shop assistant. How is the large? Customer. It's perfect. How much is this? Shop assistant. It's $30. Customer. Okay. I want to buy this. Shop assistant. Great. That will be $30. Customer. Can I pay by card? Shop assistant. Yes, you can. Customer. Thank you. Shop assistant. You're welcome. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. I will say the shop assistant sentence, and you answer as the customer. Shop assistant. Hello. Can I help you? You. I want to buy this. Excellent. Shop assistant. Here is the shirt. You. How much is this? Very good. Shop assistant. Is the size okay? You. Do you have another size? Great. Shop assistant. That will be $40. You. Can I pay by card? Excellent. Let's review today's four important sentences. How much is this? I want to buy this. Do you have another size? Can I pay by card? Try to use these sentences the next time you go shopping. And don't worry about making mistakes. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for day 12. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.